CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? In this part of the video, I'm going to talk about how to install the TronLink crypto wallet into your Google Chrome browser. It's actually pretty simple. Now, as always, as what happened with MetaMask, be careful of rogue releases on some of these extensions. That may be a hack or go to hack your crypto funds. But it's pretty simple. Right now I'm on the Chrome Web Store, but if you're starting from scratch, you can go to Google and you're going to type in Google Chrome Store, right? Enter, and then we're going to go to the Chrome Store. Okay, and this obviously you have to have the Google Chrome browser installed to start with. I'm going to type in TronLink by Tron Watch Market, and I actually poked around. There is a GitHub project for this where they're openly developing it. So basically you find the TronLink extension, and then you click Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, let that grind around a little bit. TronLink has been added to Chrome. Use extension by clicking the icon. So now that we have TronLink installed into our Chrome browser, to use it, you have to set up a wallet initially. So what I do, you click on the little arrow up here in the corner, and the first thing it's going to do is ask you for a password. Now, this is assuming that I have never created a TronLink account before. I'm on a new computer and I need to do it. So to get started, it's not as intuitive as a normal link would be. It's a little confusing. So basically what you do is come up with a password. I like to use my strong password security site, but use whatever you will. It's a site that allows you to generate super strong passwords. So I'll grab that password. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go back to my TronLink icon. I click on it. I'm going to enter that password twice. Now, this is very important. Make sure you write down your password. So what I'm going to do is type in Notepad. I'm going to put my TronLink password, and that way I know I don't lose it. Hit continue. Success. Go to the wallet and you click on this. Now you're into the main TronLink page and the application is installed. At this point you want to do a couple important things. You want to write down your backup mnemonic phrase, which allows you to recover the wallet, and you want to get your receiving address so that you can receive tokens. So you're going to click on accounts and you're going to have a menu: create, import, export, and delete. If you have more than one TronLink account, you can delete the extra accounts. So the very first thing obviously is, what is my CryptoTron wallet address? And that's right here under the default account. So I'm going to copy that as well and put that into my thing so I don't lose it. And this is actually the address you would send your Tron coins to. Now, the second step is you want to click export. At this point, the extension is going to give you your mnemonic secret phrase. Okay, that's super important. And let's see, I'm going to do that. That's my recovery phrase. Okay, and my private key. So I got my private key. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to save this. And at this point, you could do whatever you like. You could run this through your encryption software, move it to a USB drive that's encrypted, or other safe, or print it and put it in your safe. And this is all your pertinent information for your TronLink wallet. Now, that's it. Basically, you send yourself some coins from either your ledger or get on one of the exchanges that sells Tron, like Binance, and then you would send it to that address, and then your tokens will appear there, and then you can start interacting with the dApps.